Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So today I'm going to show you the grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream. This is a brand from Australia. This particular cream is part of their Detox range, which consists of a toner, a serum, and a mist. And then this is the night cream, as the name implies. So it is definitely like a rich, luxurious kind of cream. It has a nice creamy texture to it. It's definitely going to help to hydrate the skin. But as the name implies, the primary purpose of it is to detoxify. So it really helps to sort of reset or repair the skin's cells. Does it with a few key ingredients. Peptides, which are anti-aging, echinacea and reishi mushroom, which have sort of anti-pollution, detoxifying effects to the skin. And then it also contains a whole bunch of other good things like vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and so all of these things are going to help to make the skin look more youthful, more radiant, smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with time, and overall just make the skin look better. So if you're on the market for a nice luxurious night cream, this might be the one. Check it out, shopmask.com, the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream, and you can see it in the store in Vancouver as well. Thanks for listening.